Hi, my name's Michelle Lloyd of Lloyds Academy.
Hi, welcome to your lesson on factors. And factors are numbers that you can divide into a number you're given. So if, for example, I wanted you to list the factors of the number 6, we say to ourselves, starting with 1, what's 6 divided by 1? Well, that's 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 4 is 1, remainder 2. 6 divided by 5 is 1, remainder 1. And 6 divided by 6 is just 1. So we can see by writing it down that we can divide 6 by 1. So that's going to be a factor. We can divide 6 by 2. That's a factor. We can divide 6 by 3, but when we come to 4 we can't divide it exactly, so that one's not a factor. We ignore that one. And the same with 6 divided by 5, because we have a remainder. That's not a factor. But 6 divided by 6 we get a whole number, so that's a factor. So my factors of 6, if I look down my list, are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So let's have another example then. What do you think the factors of 8 would be? Let's do that in a different colour. Well, let's work it out. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 3, remember 2 times 3 is 6. So it will be 2, remainder 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 5 is 1, remainder 3. 8 divided by 6 is 1, remainder 2. 8 divided by 7 is 1, remainder 1. And 8 divided by 8 is just 1. So we're only interested in the ones that have got no remainder. So this one, this one, this one and this one, and that tells me that my factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So a number is only a factor if it divides exactly into the number you're given with no remainder. So have a go at the questions and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Thank you for watching. See you all soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe.